Hi class, today we're going to look at how to generate a report of your SAE. So here we're in a student's SAE, okay?
Wow.
You go over here to reports, okay?
Wow.
You click on single experience reports, okay?
Wow.
And then you click on complete report HTML, okay?
Wow.
So here you can scroll down and Jackie, you don't have anything. Oh no, here we go.
Wow.
So you see you need to select the correct SAE, okay?
Wow.
So for this student it is gardening. You can scroll down, you can see these are the photos she's uploaded in her journal, okay?
Wow.
Here are her expenses. If she did not sell anything or buy anything, she would have no expenses. However, she should probably have some expenses of buying the soil. And then if she sells any plants, that would be income. So you can see this student is missing a little bit of journal entries and also some of their SAE plan. Okay?